Hi viewers, I'm Tapir. Actually, we always say to men that men are girl. Is that real? No, men are not girl. Really, women are girl, which makes a man strong, stony. Men are really able to love. Reality is this: we can't understand to man that from young age we forbid to weep a boy. If we see that boy is weeping, then we got surprised and ask that, oh, you are boy and you are weeping. Why? Why boy can't weep? Why he has not hurted? He doesn't hurt. He is also human like a woman and girl. If you will understand to man and will give to him love, he will decorate your life with love. When men become girl and woman hurts him, how? In this era, if a boy says to the girl, I don't have anything to give you, but she will never understand and even she will never hold his hand because he doesn't have any kind of things for fulfill his completely wishes and fulfill her wishes also. She will never marry because today's woman doesn't look generosity of the man. She ignores his integrity, humanity and kindness. She just look how much money he has for fulfill her dreams. Woman looks money, followers, degrees and titles. This is the way women get the compulsion. If at the start she ignores humanity, why she search in a man after relation? Why? Woman started the campaign, my body and my wish. If she is really be faithful with the man, she doesn't need any kind of campaign which regret the emotions of woman. No need to judge by appearances. A rich heart may be under a poor coat. Beautiful things happen at that time when you keep distance from negativity. Don't understand wrong to man. He is really good creature of Allah. If you trust and believe, He makes your life perfect and full by happiness. One gives value and respect to man, then respect to the woman. But if a woman insult to the man, men start to all women. If there are the problems in our society because of the man behavior, woman is the responsible of it. Woman is just for the love. It depends on woman how she treats to the man and how she keeps him. Woman loves to money. When woman will come to know the value of love, then all problems will solve. If woman will understand the value of love, then all situation will fine. She'll realize that what's the money for life. Simple tragedy is this: women will start love to men and will start using the things instead of men because situation got disturbed. When women love money and use the things, basically men are the strong. And he observes all bad behavior but doesn't complain. If that behavior got up, then his mind got pressed. And the result of this, man doesn't give any value to the woman. He start curse, sometimes he misbehave, he insult to the woman each and every time and at everywhere. But who's the responsible of that behavior? Oh, exactly woman. Because anywhere when he see to woman, he doesn't give value. He obviously he got disturbed by woman. So how he can be comfortable to respect the woman? Men are not bad. Don't understand to them bad. Understand them. Men are able to love. Love him and your complaints will finish. So not need to understand the man that he is the curse, he is a bad. If he is bad, so because there is a woman who has made to the man curd, selfish, bad. If woman complains that man is selfish, he doesn't care about the respect of woman. He misbehaves. He doesn't have basic manners to talk to women, to how to deal to women. In this way, the responsible is not a man. Responsible is this, that woman has done with the man anywhere anything wrong. Men are not bad. Understand them and love them. Your complaints will finish. So not need to understand the man bad. If when you will understand the man, you will make your life automatically happy. So viewers, have a good life. Take care of yourself and give love to the man and make your life beautiful. Thank you so much.